Hi guys, it is X. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing these two products from the new and improved Kylie Cosmetics line. I did get the kybrow in a medium brown because that is the color that I always use, and I did get this lip kit in Bear. I wanted to test it out because I love the color. It came out in 2017. I remember because I purchased the vacation palette and the vacation bundle, and it was in there, and I love the color, and I was so sad when it went away because I haven't been able to purchase it in a while. So if you guys want to see my thoughts and opinions, just keep on watching. But before you swipe me away or click me on this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to try is the new kybrow. I did get mine in medium brown. Here is the packaging. It is sleek, it is nice, it is new. I don't actually remember what the old packaging looked like because I have not used it and purchased something new in so long. But here's what it looks like, and one side is a little spoolie brush and the other side is the makeup. And I remember when this first came out, there was people definitely complaining that the spoolie was falling out, and I don't feel like at this point that is something that I have to worry about. And so I haven't had one of these in a while because I've just been using the gel. Okay guys, so the gel, I don't think I actually saw this on the website, but my kybrow pomade, or whatever you want to call it, is old. I bought this when I think it first launched, so this is not from the new collection. The only thing I did get from the new collection was the Bare Lip Kit and this, but I really do like her brow products, so I'm going to quickly demonstrate, because I haven't done it this way in a long time, how I use this and all the other products to do my brows. So what I do is I line the bottom. Sorry, this is a fresh pencil, so it might just take some finessing. I also line the top like that, and sometimes I do go ahead and line this. So when I don't use the pencil, I honestly just use the pomade. So I know it looks a little funny right now, and I do have very fine hair, as you can tell. So we'll do the other side really quickly. And sorry, this angle is just a little bit harder to do for the camera. And then here. Okay, so I line the outside like that. And then what I usually do, since I haven't purchased the whole kit in a while, is I do dab a little bit and then just fill it in. You guys don't need all the products. You could just get away with just using the pencil or just get away with using this. But since I have both now, I'm just going to quickly fill this in as so. Can you guys see? This part I do brush up and away like that. And I will dip it in one more time. Gotta fill in that little portion a little bit more, but I will do this side real quick as well. I honestly used to like using all the products, not just one of them, meaning like I didn't want to just use the pencil or the pomade. Get a little up close and personal there. And I know it looks a little dark right now, but with the spoolie brush, I always kind of just darken it out. Brush it out so it doesn't look as harsh. You guys, this was so hard when I was blonde because matching my eyebrows with the color of my hair was always such a hard thing to do. And then I'm just going to grab, where is it? Hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this Fenty concealer and just do one swipe on each side. I do feel like the new formula is pretty creamy and easy to use. However, I have not used the old one in so long, but I kind of don't remember like what it's like. And then I am going to put this on. This stuff I love. Like, if she doesn't sell this anymore, I'm gonna be really sad. But that is it for the brows. I think I did them a little too dark, but it also might just be this crazy lighting. Okay, I quickly finished my eye makeup. I was using the Vacation palette and I just quickly put on the Glamnetic Lucky eyelashes, and now we are going to try the new Bare Matte liquid lipstick. So the packaging on this definitely changed. Here they are. I do have the originals with me behind me, if you can see. It was a black packaging and now it is pink. These used to be black as well. And so here is the new packaging. I really hope that they improved the lip liners because my lip liner used to always swash in there and it never, like, I don't know. I never really used the the lip liner that much, and it would just like swash in there, like go back and forth, and I would barely even like sharpen it. So hopefully they fix that. And what I'm nervous about is one thing that I love about Kylie's lip products, or at least the mattes, is that I can kiss my husband and I don't have to worry about the transfer onto him. And so I'm really worried that when she renewed the collections that it is not going to be the same lipstick that I love. And as you can see, I have almost every single color because of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. Also, I used to always put chapstick on beforehand because everyone complains about how drying it is, and it never bothered me. Ugh. These are very creamy. I also never really cared too much for the lip liner, to be honest. But I keep them just in case I run out of the lipstick. But the lip liner does not have the same like non-transfer I guess protection. Okay, here we go. It has a little bit of a scent. I don't really remember what it smelled like beforehand. And this feels exactly like the Velvets used to. So I'm actually pretty worried. You guys, I am scared. Okay, I picked the color Bare because I used to have it. It actually came out in 2017 as part of the Vacation bundle, and I loved the color. I feel like the color is a little bit different than the original, but I'm actually a little heartbroken because it feels exactly like the Velvets. It doesn't feel drying. And I know that's what people are complaining about. Kabuki, stop. Sorry, my cat's like scratching. I know that's what people were like complaining about. My eyelash is trying to fall off over here. But I didn't mind it. Like, it was nothing a little prior chapstick couldn't fix. So I guess I'll wait a little bit longer and then we'll kiss my hand and see what it's like. But if it is like the velvet, I'm gonna be very sad and probably will not buy the lipsticks anymore. And I'm so glad I have some from the previous batch. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm not trying to be clickbaity or hater, nothing like that. It's just, I really liked the fact that it was so, oh my god, this damn eyelash, it was so transfer proof. So I don't know, I'm kind of scared. Let's see. Actually, I'm shocked, you guys. Okay, for as smooth, hold on. For as smooth as it feels, it literally feels like the velvet. And I know for a fact the velvet was not transfer proof. And the fact that I'm like kissing my hand and nothing is coming off, I'm actually really excited about now, because I was worried. I'm like, I'm not gonna buy this if it's gonna transfer. That was the whole point of why I liked her lipstick so much. So now I'm just super excited that it's actually stayed like transfer proof. So it does feel lighter. It has a little bit of a cakey smell. A little, not a lot. It's not like overwhelming. I think I'm just a little in shock because of how smooth it is compared to the other ones. And it's not drying. I can barely feel it on my lips. I don't feel like it's gonna crack. So I am actually really excited about that. I guess I should bring this back out. Okay, so overall review. This is very creamy and so is this. I have used this in the past, so obviously I'm gonna purchase it again. Probably when my pomade runs out, not when this runs out, just because I've had it for like a year now and it's fine. I don't really need the stick. But the new formula, I actually really do like it. Like, I'm shocked, just because when I first started putting it on, I was like, this feels too smooth. I don't know how to explain it. It just felt, oh my lord, like this, like the velvet's used to, and it is not transferring whatsoever. I will do it again because it is a light shade, but there is nothing there. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this video is not too long, and see you on my next one. Bye.